Bad. Here I know, get bumbuckler. Bad.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Me like that flow, yeah. Here I know, get
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them like?
You don't know one Media Fox on the app, you know. Yeah, man. Respect for the support people. Yeah, man. You don't know the work I've put in, don't. Yeah, man. So look here now. Alkaline album. You don't know the regular thing. Buy and stream all platforms. You understand? Because you don't know who really want to shame the haters. And show them say, yo, it no matter what them say. Because at the end of the day, one dancehall. And we represent music. And music alone can elevate dancehall. You understand? No bag of haters and hype and them thing there. Yeah, music. From back in the days, music we use for dominate dancehall. You understand? Internet never did it back then. You see me? And music did a mash up dancehall. You see it? So look at now, people. Krish Genius forward out. He must say something. He must review something. And yeah, he must say something, man. So I want the people them hear what I go on. You see it? Because you don't know promotional style. Album tough. No matter what nobody wants. I just haters are always say what they have to say. You see me? But I pay them, no, man. You see me? Haters gonna say what they want to say. You see me? Yeah. But when I watch the haters, yeah, man. We just do the work. We have the formula. You see it? But people, listen what Krish Genius I say.
So Alkaline is dominating the charts. Alkaline take over iTunes for himself. Alkaline I run iTunes right now, people. You understand? So we're gonna talk about that. And me don't tell you already, you know, see the MPT album, yeah? The album, yeah, I gonna be talked about for a while. Remember, me tell them, I told you guys already in a previous video, you know. So the album, yeah, it gonna be talked about for a while. And the album, yeah, can bring Alkaline through, like, right throughout 2026. You understand?
Yeah, man, for the year, them I got to talk about the album. Like, come on, like, everybody been waiting on Alkaline album. You understand? Them been waiting. Yeah, them been waiting. And some been a wait for just say, yo, the album, Ray and album do this. You see me? Yeah. So, it no matter what them say, but them always talk about the album, them always talk about it. But people out there in the world are stream the album or listen to the album. Because them feel like, say, in the little core dance all alone, song I go play and song I go bust from. You understand? Remember, say, out there the world, no if I song them where them say, yo, what and I run Jamaica. It not run out there in the world like that. You understand? Yeah, so I think said.
I say, as in, Alkaline can be talked about for the whole year with just this one album. But I feel like you might drop some more singles, you know. Yeah, man, I feel like roughly maybe in the third or the fourth quarter of the year, he might drop some more songs. You understand me? I say, because right now, it seems like, yo, dancehall music nice again. Dancehall music nice again. The artists, them are forward out, the artists, them are drop music, the artists, them are give you content. Music nice.
Yeah, man, the album I shake up his play. Me I tell you because everybody I listen, them I say this, them I say that. Chatterbaga, you understand? Shh. Seeing, so look you know. Yeah, music, yo, cause people, I love when people are talk about music. You understand? Yeah, I love when people are talk about music. So, it's a good thing for dancehall, cause it's the only thing we ever move the genre, like, spike up, like, when it comes to music, like, I remember, you know, music is something where stay in a people's life and soul, and, you know, something where them can play back every day and all of them look at them. The hype just for your time. Once the hype run out, that's it. You understand? Hype have a limit. But music not a limit. We still listen Bob Marley song them today and Bob Marley pass a long time. You understand? And they go live on. Hype not live on. You don't live on for too long. You understand? So them can't stop music. You see me? Yeah, it's a bad album. You see, that's why a bag of people talk about it and I hate. If it never bad, them wouldn't hate. You see me?
For this long time, I just basically Cartel alone and give you consistent content things to talk about. So see Alkaline, you know, Alkaline I give you something to talk about. So we are going to talk. You understand?
Alright. Cartel. Yeah, Cartel I get things to talk about, but it's not always music. Remember him did that the shows, the controversy thing with him, you don't know, baby mother, him girl, him depend both with girl and way, bam. Them they are the thing them. But we are talking about dance or we are talking about music. Whether you don't know with the rhythm, the SYM what him do, and him have a couple of collab with Shansai and all of them little thing there. You see me? Yeah, them time the music thing really did that. Because before like last year, we never really hear the music thing around him like that. You see me? More like the arena thing, all of them little thing there. You see it? Yeah.
We are go talk. Cause we don't know how the things set up already. You know, we don't know the dancehall with everything. Dancehall, I mean everything. You understand that dancehall music we love. We don't know about some people, but from day one, me been a telling you. Me been a telling you how long we are support, we are buying music from, we are little picnic. You understand? We don't know about some people, but from all the time, we don't know say how dancehall we think there. You understand? So Alkaline goes up bam now and he drop him album. See? And right after him drop him album, it reached Pandy all genres chart. The iTunes all genre 200 chart. So he debuted at number 4.
I mean, I have to big up the Vendetta fans them. Yeah, man. Show them up. So the all genre charts, Alkaline album the number 4. Great look for the artist. And we have to big up the fans them. You see me? That's how Alkaline tell us, say, yo, the fans them make him do great things and fans them keep him going. You understand the support and everything from him fans. You see it because other rest of thing them I just bring down. But him fans them now bring him down. Them with him, them a defend him and everything. You see me? Cause out there, all genre charts, album gone number 4. You understand? Great look for the artist. You see me? And if anybody else go there, a great look for that for them and dancehall. Seem like Alkaline. You see me? Cause music we are deal with. You see me? So if the artist them a do it too, good look for dancehall. You see me? Yeah.
It debuted at number 4 and that's a good look. That right there is a good look. You understand me I say? And also as well, he is the only dancehall, Jamaican dancehall artist on that chart.
A round of applause for the Vendetta fans again. You not hear that, people? The all genre charts is the only Jamaican artist with dip on the chart. Big up to the Vendetta people them for your support them artists. You understand? Yeah. And big up to the other people them who support them artists as well. Cause we want dancehall out there, you understand? We want dancehall out there. We can't one person now go do that because one person can't represent dancehall everywhere in the world at the same time. You need a bag of artists to carry it. Same like how back in the days you have Puju, you have Shabba, Peony Man, Bounty, the whole of them. I carry dancehall, represent out there for the world, Elephant Man, everybody. You see me? I saw we fear pray. You see it?
The only artist, the only Jamaican artist upon the chart. And also, the reggae charts, over the reggae side, because we don't know what the genre is reggae, it's all listed on a reggae. He did number 1. So he debuted at number 1 on the reggae charts. Yeah, man. So it's a good look. That means that the people must support the album. That means that the album will get people buy the album, people support the artist, which that me advocate for. The artists then put in time and effort in these projects. So the music lovers them support the music, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Now big up the Vendetta fans again for the US iTunes chart number 1. Pick them up again. You understand? Pick them up. And big up to the people when neutral and just love dancehall music and still support the artist same way. Yeah, man. Anybody who support any artist and music, respect, respect. Bless up on yourself. You understand?
Support the music, bro. And also, we are looking at the music video charts. Right now, Alkaline take over the music video charts. Bro, the top 10. The top 10, you have 1, Alkaline Wet Hole. You have 2, No Emotions. 4, Ocean Wave. 5, Maniac. 6, Medicine. 7, Twerk. Yo, the man take over the music video charts, bro. The man have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 songs in the top 10. Yo. Jaja, it's a good look. It's a good
people, Jano, I love when music a dominate pan the chart them, yeah, it's a good look. Same favor the artists and them fans. Cause want support the music. You see me, want support the music and grow the genre, same way. You see it? Yeah, man, do what you have to do. The bring down thing, way, just because you rate artist, it don't make no sense. The dancehall thing not grow, so. You see me? Yeah. If you don't like it, you can just say, alright, you don't like it. But just don't bring it down. You see me? That's how you think said. You see me? Sometimes I don't have to say nothing. If you don't like it either. You see it? Because at the end of the day, in fans, them are going to expect it. I go rate it and all of them look at things. The people out there will love dancehall, I go rate it too. You see me?
look, bro. People, so me been a listen to the album. And one song specific, the only song where him basically would say are the lead single then because I alone him drop a video for. The Wet Hole song. That song there sparked so many conversations. Bro, that the song there are basically the most talked about song. Wet Hole is the song where everybody are talk about. So we're gonna talk about that and we're gonna react to that video there. In that said video. So make sure you keep it locked. See me. Only not gonna know when. So the album now. When we met it, you know say again, I think this is the second time now. Alkaline drop what? Three albums. And yeah, in a what the one the name again? Top Prize. He never do any feature. He never had any feature. And that one you know, NPT, no features at all. No features at all. Bro, we get the point. Say you don't really need no feature for your thing them work. But what me I say, bro, me think you should have take the youths them. The youths them rate you and look up to you and run, bro. Like really and truly, me feel like you should have give the youths them you should have give the youths them a run, bro. Like big man thing. Even Armani, a 450. But the next one name, a Silk Boss. You understand me? I say, me think you should have bust on the youths them, bro. Like really and truly, because the youths them rate you. The youths them look up to you, bro. And right now, the youth them would have really do with that strength from Alkaline. But one thing though, you see.
Alright, these are the thing, people. Because I don't understand this. Alkaline are doing album. See, Alkaline dropped 3 album. And like you can say him not really do collect on the 3 of them. The new level unlock and the top price and this. You understand? First of all, Armani them, you have to understand, you know, bro. Like Armani them a build them thing, a do them thing, brother. You see me? Them a put in them work, all of them little thing there. You see, Alkaline are doing thing. Not because the artists them a big up and rate Alkaline. Mean say Alkaline obligated to drop them on album. You see me? We don't know why in the future. We don't know what the collaboration, we don't know what going. You see, because a lot of people are talking about, yo, him no collab this and that. Because we know dancehall standard is like when it comes to album, the collaboration thing. We know that. You understand? But you have to understand, say, I know everybody are going to do what everybody do. You understand? And the thing is that if Alkaline they get a certain artist on the album and all of these things, none of them would have say, see there, a strength him get for the album, this and that and re. Them would have a bag of thing to say. But it shows that the youth powerful and the youth talented, because me know say if some of them they do some album by themselves, you will see them true potential and lyrics and style and all of them thing there in the album itself. You see me? Because Alkaline album, if you all in your car, man, you say you drive over country and on a long journey, man, and you beat the album there with the bass in your car, trust me, you reach there fast. Me I tell you that you reach there fast because you sang them tough, the beat them, everything. So people have them opinion and say what they want to say. You understand? But Alkaline do him thing. You see me? Everybody do collaboration. Alkaline just want to do him thing, brother. You see me? Because at the end of the day, when the artists them do them thing, we want to say, Ray with Alka. We don't say to them, say, yo, why can I get Alka on it? You should have get Alka on the collab, Ray. Brother, Alka just do him thing. You see it? We don't know in the future where I go forward. If one of them album them, the man them are depend on it. Sometimes I just listen and just go and wait, bro. You see me? Yeah. I just time and place everything. You see it?
Alkaline, remember say Alkaline boss with controversy, right? So it was impossible. It was impossible for the album to drop and you know have some kind of controversial thing for it. It's impossible. Controversy boss the youth, you know. The youth come in and put in contacts in the eye and say, yo, in tattoo in the eye. Controversy, the youth use boss himself in a dancehall.
And that is a great move. Because if Alkaline they put in contact lens and never have that talent if you push him career would have flop. Because controversy not survive for too long. If him did just use controversy and not have the talent to back up that, him wouldn't reach the level where him there. You understand? But it's a great move to get the attention of the people. Them. That's all the youth they want because him know him talented. So him do something to get the people them to listen to him music. And look at him now. Youngest artist for Solo Barclays Center. The youth have him plan and have him goals set and where him want and where him want to reach in a dance hall. You understand?
You understand me? I say so. As me say, it was impossible for the album NPT release and controversy in the funny. And bro, yeah, tell us, yo, it's gonna be a mockers summer. That's all we can say. It's gonna be a mockers, not even summer alone. Easter. It's from Easter to the summer to the end of the year. The mockers then get something for rock with, bro. The all mockers them, they look dirty whoring girl, bumbuckler.
Yo, the boy Alka face thing. I remember when them usually say, yo, one back in 2016 Alka and one back. And when them get it now, they move the goalpost again. Boy, I tell you, no matter what Alkaline do, it just narrative just now got change.
Yo, bro, me I listen to what I sang them. And me hear the youth say, yo, big whoring girl. So me I say, no man, I know that he say no. Me I say, no bro, I know that he say. I know so I pull up the song and play the song for more than like 2-3 times. Just to hear him I say, well, me hear it you know, but like me there me I say, yo, me can't believe say, the dog I say, yo, big whoring girl. Me pussy claw. But then again, remember say Alkaline did intro and song and call the girl them germs, nastiness, drunkro. Yo. And bro, you see that song they name Roping, bro. That song they have for the real mukbang them. The real muckers shit them.
Yeah man, cause you have some girl out there, yo, no matter what you cheat them and that them love. You understand? Yeah, man, you have some girl out there like that. You can't deal with them boy, you know, nice boy and all of them things. They then run away. That me I tell you, they want some rough up and some talking and all of them little things. Is it? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that song there for the muckers, them. That song there for the muckers, them. That's all I can say. European. Muckers are full the time now. Alkaline I represent for Uno. And bro, the reason why I feel like he do this and he go so raw, the reason why I feel like he do this, you know, bro, because he say, yo, at this, the girl them love. The man keep back and say, yo, at this, them girl nowadays, them young girl nowadays, at that them love. And then, bro, when I remember, say, they done drop a EP already when him raw as ever. So you been to them thing, you been a go raw. So you see, if you go so bam and you go yes, so him a go lower than that. Why that pause still? You get me? I say so. The song now where cause the controversy, the talking point is that one, yeah.
Yo, people, go stream that song, yeah. Wait one. Here I know. But yo, the beat of the song is tough. The girl them must love this. I tell you, girl them love it, people. I tell you that. Girl them love it. A tough song. You see me? As some music, you have to understand how music work, you know. That's why I say the hits them from way, but them still play today. Music take times, you understand? Because you have to listen for understand, you know. A lot of people listen, but them don't listen for understand. Them just hear a line and run with it because the first intention we forward to their mind, them just run with, oh, this seems to your way, must say, but them not listen for understand it. That's the problem. You see me?
One thing with the rhythm them on the album, man, all of the rhythm them kind of have like similarity about them. You get me? I don't know if it's a bungles deal or what, I don't know, but the rhythm them sound kind.
No, I know that a lot of album the rhythm them sound away. But you know what the problem? It's just because to Alkaline alone, I dominate the album, make you feel like that. You understand? A different rhythm them. You see me? But you don't have to understand still, because you know the producer. Some of the time the people may talk. A different vibes, bro. Different vibes. You see? Some you might see him sometimes some might sound the same, yes. But I just different thing them. You see me? Alka change it up every time. You see it? Because a lot of people used to, if Alkaline they do a collaboration for rhythm them wouldn't have say, yo, a same flow and this and that. They wouldn't have made that. But through Alkaline alone, that's the problem. Them not used to them type of sound, yeah. You see me? Especially when one artist depends so much rhythm. You see it?
Similar. That's all. Yo. But here I know, get bumbo clot. But people, wanna hear the starting of the song right there, so here I know, get low blood clot.
Yo, people, it sound tough. You stay there. Wait, someone forward up, you know. That me I tell you all night club. I tell you nothing normal. You can go and stay there. That me I tell you, you know. You think Alka play? Remember, any man I represent the girl. You see why in a barking center? Much girl in a barking center talk about la. Eh? Wanna stay there? Girl, them a play it and a bubble to it. You see me, cause me some man on the internet. Me I say, brother, Alka put out the song for woman, you know. Me no know how woman a cash out more than woman, you know. You understand? Yeah, man.
Yo, me no know the flow. Me like me like that flow, yeah. Here I know.
Yo, Chris Genius, dog. Jadwa youth. Yo, me I tell you, a body artist bad, man. Trust me. Body artist bad. That me I tell you. Yeah, but cause you song by Chris Genius. Yo. Yo, dog. Chris Genius. Wish I be sing his song.
No. She and your mouth are friend, bro. This is freakiness. This is freakiness. Bumbo rascal, man. This is freakiness, buck. This is freakiness, buck. But guess what? The youth are sing about some things we actually are gone. Honestly, just like me we forward out, yeah, so and me just talk with it on my mind. Eh? Just like you have enough people out there, you know. Them want to say certain things, you know, but they're afraid to say it, you know. And me just forward out, yeah, me just say it, you know. I don't care, you know.
Cause remember, you know, music is an art, you know. You see me, and things where in a society, we just use music for kind of paint the art. Things we are going out there, people talk about. Them have to see it go on, or it happen. for them talk about it. Them can't just ban and not see it at all and sing about it. Or something where I go on out there with them seeing at them eyesight, all of them little thing there. You see me? Or so you think said, or them hear people that talk about it. You see me? Yeah. So I just saw the things that are just music. You see, it's not because when you see an artist sing it or so. You see me? And you know mean say at the artist see it or Ray or Tay. Maybe a them friend tell them or maybe a some stranger tell them friend or anything could happen.
Because you don't know how to get to work, you know. And the same thing Alkaline do, you know. Alkaline attack some things where actually are gone, where in see out there or in hear out there and know say yo that are gone, so you just highlight it.
Too much page text me on them, hear the moon, even still leave you on the sky. Nothing they bag too much for your girl, me nah lie, you pokey.
Blood clot, the dog say yo, nothing I got too much for your girl, me nah lie. Freakiness!
I'm a sperm goes, let me live for a cream pie. Oh, your kinky, so me ready, still you know me nah deny. I got the boy, tell her move like a beach, well, cocky that she wants, so come check me, I'm a funky well.
Jano. I tell us Alka go hard. In that video here, you know, with the girl, you know. I tell her that the man not play, dog. I tell you. Bag a thing I go on. But the girl, I'm gonna love it. I tell you. And you don't know anywhere the girl, them, the man, them dead too. So, you know that go.
Suck it off, slap me, spread your cheeks for me.
Suck it off, slappy. Spread your cheeks for me. Blood clot, people, me feel like, you see that song here? Me feel like that song here, I go big. Me feel like that song here, I go hit. Me feel like that song here is going to hit. Me feel like that song here go hit. The ear will catchy. Here I know, get low, that song here go hit. Me can't tell you this one now.
Cut my sound, I'm a stand. Here I know, get low, girl, and do them. But up and she a take soon, so keep pressing on the camera, girl, you well, boy, pussy, you run me that.
Sell off. But yo, me know say when the girl them hear this all night party, you know. I know nothing normal, you know. You can't tell them send a dash out. At that me I tell you. Without that they rhythm there, charger.
No, me tell you listen, you see anytime you see the girl then come out and start whine to that song, just a whoop and pray say look a fishy boy them over TikTok no. No blood clot boy stick on you. Because I don't know you look a nasty boy them stay. You know. You see anytime the girl then come out and start whine themselves and go on bad to that song, especially the old mukbang them. Joe, bro. Chubby. What me say? Chubby. Me can't tell you no that when the mukbang then roll out pan this year. Bro, what gonna stop it from hit? What is gonna stop this song from hit?
Yeah. Me pick out my rage, she's supposed to legal, even though me never check the age.
Me take out my rage. She's supposed to legal, even though me not check the age. And the line they know, a cause a bag of controversy. And the line they do, a cause a bag of controversy. Alright, in the video, you see a bag of woman in the video, right? So, when you think no underage could have in the video, yeah. Why not? The music video we are talking about, you know? We just made the video. No underage in this. So, the video basically, remember, you know, when artists do music videos, you know, them do the music video for basically tell a story. You understand? Them basically do the video for tell a story with the song. You know what? Me now get too technical. Meds this. Me jeez them. Even the woman them too, you know, want to meds with me. Alright. You don't know, say, in our club, we don't talk about America, we talk about Jamaica. You have to be 18 or over, right? The age of consent is 16. Okay. Alright, club. How much times you don't ever go on club? To the niggas them, you go on club. When you did it on a party, you enjoy yourself, you have a drink. And by the night it's done, you know, you end up meet a one catty in the club and things go on. Maybe in the bathroom, maybe out the door, maybe in the car, but maybe you bring her home, maybe you bring her to a hotel, some way. But by the night it's done, beatings go on, strappings go on, right? Okay. How much I know? I go like think about say yo, bro. Or ask them how old they be. Bro, want to use the comment section now and tell me, you never yet down the life beat a woman and even know their name. Eh? Bro, so the niggas them, every girl you beat, you remember their name or you ask them their name. So if you don't ask them their name, bro, you not gonna ask them their age. Bro, let me
Yo, brother, let me tell you, bro. As some people see around with that narrative there, brother. And it show you the mindset people. You see the mindset where them have. You see what your meds are that you get. Seeing you hear a line like that. Seeing a man saying in a club. This are the problem in people. Enough of them mania. When them in a club and them meet a girl, all in the same bathroom them back them up. Without knowing them age. Cause some of the time them drunk, them just a meds one thing. You understand? If you see a girl in a club, seeing most of the girl them in a club, they look like no little pitney. First of all, if them a little pitney, them have to stay a yard, them mother now make them forward out. And that me I tell you, them now left the house. So when me hear the man them attack, like say, yo bro, enough of them mania. in a club with woman and girl. Them not ask no you some my time. If them can get it right on the spot, them would do it. All in the bathroom, all of them look thing there, brother. Them not have time for you ask no age. You understand? Worse if the girl a move away and you in and you and I go in the bathroom or some corner in a club. Brother, if she a put her whole body over you and all of them look thing there. You know dead you stop her, you are why your age. Brother, once a club you go, you know med spitney. Me I tell you that, you know med spitney. But Alkaline smart. Because him know how them stay already. You understand? But the way how them double down on the line shows them a hypocrite. Because the Alkaline I say, seeing about the legal and him not check the age. Enough of them not doing it. Them not do it, but you are Alkaline and them want to bring down, cause look here, 3 album tough and them on a bring down campaign and that little line there in the song. So them just take that one little line down in the song. And I tell you so you know, you see what your meds, how what you get. You understand? Because when it comes to club, now pitney now in a club, Virgin. Now pitney now in you, if you can look upon a girl and see say she a little pitney, first of all, if you see say she a little pitney, if you look upon her, you're supposed to see that. And if you see say you're a girl a little, you gotta ask her, yo, yeah, how much? You understand? If you not see that, you know. And first of all, I in the club. You see me, because no little pitney. Them mother now make them go to a club or in a road or all of them little thing there, Virgin. You know, first of all, them not even pass security if them look too little. Them have to go show ID or something. That me I tell you, bro. You see it. Pitney stay a yard, pitney enough they in a club. So me them money I thought, bro. But we know Alkaline go to work still. Them go run with certain things because them realize that are them mentality. Them not listen for understand because them do the same thing. You understand?
Listen, females, uno see him one. Enough man, some of uno make beat uno. And uno don't even know the man them name. People, me know how to get this wrong, you know. Because me not support no underage thing, you know. Me not depend on the pedophilia thing, you know. Me not depend on something there. Fire burn for some boy will love you underage girl, you know. And he look a young girl, you know. You get me, I say, because you see me telling you about me. You say, from me left high school, bro, me not look back this. From me left high school, me not look back this. You understand me? I say, because, bro, from your youth, from the high school, me always love bigger woman. Yeah, so, that's how I couldn't know, say, bro, I just say, reality. Enough time we got a club, we got a party somewhere, and by the night, if we done, we are beat some girl, because guess what? If you get into the club, member, you're supposed to be 18 or over. And, bro, me not think it happen nowadays again. Me not think it happen nowadays again, because, bro, you used to have a lot of fake IDs. You used to have a lot of fake IDs. And next thing again, bro, you have some females, bro, from your look at them, you can see the whole foot in their face. All when they're young, you can see the whole foot in their face. And bro, up to this day, me know a woman, we're bigger, we're older than me. And right now, if they get in a club, they have to show ID. Because them look young. Them look young. What would I say?
Yeah, man. That I think. That, you see, that them are meds, you know. And now understand the situation. Them just quick for run with a narrative. You hear club, seeing, and you know say Pitney no go club, brother. Pitney no go club. You're supposed to can see say yo a Pitney. This first of all, Pitney no left house. You see me? Pitney no left house. But true Alkaline still now just go and run with the line, but it's showing say yo I wait on no meds. You see me? That are no problem because uno just listen for us run with clout and bring down. You see me? And I understand. Because at the end of the day, uno do the same thing. Uno go and like say one no go club and something. Oh, yo, yeah, how much? This, that, way. So my time on a drink and a junk and a whole of vibes. So none of time. Alright, first of all, no for uno drink and junk and ray. I wanna see all one girl a wine in a club. See? Uno know if a Pitney a wine because enough man go club and see woman a wine and just start dance with the woman. All if the woman a go back it up on you. See? You know, ask her her age first, you know, before she back it up on you. Because she start back it up on you, she'll back it up. You understand? The only way you can know her age when she start back it up on you. First of all, no man ask if I see one girl and the girl will back it up on them. Them are going to just dance. Them not ask about no age. They maybe ask when they left the club or way down or after them done dance. So not talk, brother. I show and say you are them thing there no meds, bro. Pick the thing and not understand what I'm saying at the music.
You see, which part you meet a woman for the first time, it says a lot. Because I say, if you're going to meet a woman in a club, we're not drink and them something, bro. We're not going to have time. We don't even say, yo, bro, to ask a female in age. But if you go so bummed up on a casual outing, maybe on a mall or somewhere, and you meet a woman, yes, you can ask, you definitely going to ask them their age right there, so. You definitely going to ask them their age right there, so. You understand? So, time and place. And the youth never say, yo, he beat a girl, we're underage, and then he never remember say, yo, bro, you know some shit ask the age, you know, he never said that. When I play about that local part there. I go play about that local part there so you can hear exactly what him say again.
Pressing on the camera, girl, you well, boy, her pussy drool, and run on me, that I forgot the wet goat. Yeah. We take out my rage, she supposed to legal, even though me never check the age.
Me take out my rage. She's supposed to legal, even though me not check the age. I want to use the comment section and tell me one thing about that line there. Me take out my rage. She's supposed to legal, even though me not check the age. Just tell me one thing about the line. Is in?
Pick up my spank it like say, girl, you a misbehave. She never do a 3-way, come a Tony and I'm a slave.
She never do a 3-way. Yo, I be a 3-some. Yo, blood clappers. Yo, freaking is buck. Freak.
People, me see more freak artists sing more freakier things than this in a dancehall. More freakier thing than this. May I tell you that. And some of them don't get no backlash, but actual Alkaline. They say more criticize and more bring down about there. You understand? Because I'm a big artist, great artist. Look at artists, them we do it. They not pay them no mind. You understand?
In this buck in that song, bro.
Girl, me go crazy, you tap on the papers. Pussy a chop and a jump, so me know you feel right. Then can't get heated like oven. Like a shake like tambourine all of a sudden.
The car get heated like an oven. You know, the car get heated like an oven.
You can't stand a girl to me, I fuck your cousin. How much time that you come now, I see over a dozen. Body, suck it up, slam me. Spread your cheeks for me. You know, I ain't cut my...
About a dozen times, what kind of creases I have? What kind of creases I have? What dozen times you coming up? Blood.
I want to be a stabby. Here one on, get blue, girl, and blue, diamond, full of passion. Soon as I suck it, I keep losing for the camera, girl.
Yo, people, the song tough, may I tell you. The song tough, people. You see me? It tough. You see, when the girl them hear this, it nah go normal. People, I just a try run with a narrative. You see me? Just that, because that a feel them mentality. That a way them pre. That a the first thing them think about. You see me? Yeah, them not listen for understand, but through Alkaline. And you don't know them a bring it down from them show. Them a bring down in album. And them a start bring down the track them in the album now. One bag of thing, one bag of line. All of them look at thing there. You see me? Me see artists sing all bag of thing in them song. They never say no. But you don't know Alkaline. Yeah man, the dancer me in danger. Yeah man.
Yo, but not lie. That song you go hit. That song you go hit. People, by listening to that song, the hook right there, so bro. The hook is very hooking, you know. That don't make no sense, but the hook a hook. Blood. A beer for chat. But yo, the hook bad. Here I know. It catchy. Bro. That with music, you know, bro. On the most of the songs they will hit and tell me if they have no bag of lyrics. On just meds the songs them will bust and tell me if they have no bag of lyrics. You see the song them we have to kick back and I try to think about say yo bro, and they go in a dictionary and the majority of them songs they not really go big enough, big enough, as in international or bust. They look catchy. Hook ya. Here I know. Bro, that song you bad. That song you can shell down a club. That song you can shell down any party right now. Yo, you see look for this ya. When the girl hear this, I'm blood cleavers. Every single girl, every female, I go get wild. And I can bet on that one. People, let me tell you something. Music nice again. Yo, music nice again. Artist.
Yeah man, and big up the people them who represent the music, support the music. It no matter which artist. You see me, because it alone I go grow the culture. You see me? Yeah. You don't know your things set. Yeah, I want to deal with the Peter thing about that. You see me? Yeah man.
So let me tell you something, man. All who in a hibernation, all who then I want to get out, want to come out of hibernation and drop some music, bro. Nice up the space, man. Oh, nice up the space, man. See Cartel drop him songs them there. See Mavado forward out of hibernation, you know. Who else can come out? Eh?
Brother, you know say the artists them a do them things same way. The artists them a put out them work. But let me tell you what the problem now. The hype, no, they around them. And that's the problem, you know. The artists them a drop song, but true them not have no clout and no hype and all of them little thing there. Them man no body where nobody are gonna really fight dog and all of them thing there. You see me? Are just the top tier artists them. You see me? Where stamp them name in the business and thing of them artists them are gonna highlight when them drop music because of the rivalry and all of them little thing there. But the other artists them been a drop them song, but people now meds them because it now come bring no controversy and not bring down and all of them little thing there. You understand? So the problem is if you just support whatever music I forward out. You see me? I just that. But not because the hype they're on them artists, I mean say the artists them in hibernation. Them a do them thing, them a put out song, put out video, but it's just that the hype now they're on them. You understand? And they maybe not have the big fan base if they carry the music and carry the hype and carry the clout. You see me?
My father forward out of hibernation, my father accused. Right now, my father, we need a bad song for the girl them now. Golly God, we need a song for the girl them. Wind up themselves and now. Go up on their ears, go up on their eyelash, go up on their forehead, head top. Father, we need something for the girl them now. You understand me? I say, so Cartel drop the song them. My father drop, see the Alkaline drop the song them now. Bro, 1, 2 no. When they get out of hibernation. Get out of hibernation. Whole reason. Here, what I want to do. Use the comment section. Tell me what you think about that song. Rate that song for me. And what want to tell me as well, if you don't think that look line there, but legal, I never check age. Or you think that line there is necessary, or you think he do that line there, like he drop in a line there because he knows say the people them are going to talk. Or you just use the comment section and tell me what you think about that song. Or you rate that song for me. More songs did there, bro, where I go forward again, and yeah, I go forward again, and I go react to maybe one couple more of them. Because the bad man sang them, bro, the bad man sang them, I go on. The bad man sang them, I go on. You understand? I'm telling you this, it's some...
Yeah, man, it's tough. Bad man sang them tough, man. So y'all, when you drive in your vehicle and you turn up the bass and it a beat in a speaker, trust me, man. And I know normal. Wherever you go, if a 200 mile, it a go half. It a turn 100 mile. You understand? Yeah, man, the vibe there.
But them songs after the album, yeah, it a go grow up on enough away. I can tell you that. I can tell you that. So as I say, when you...
People, when I don't know when Media Fox pan up in a big up enough for the respect. Remember, go stream and buy the album on all platforms. You don't know Apple Music, Spotify, all of them. You see me, iTunes, Apple Music. Yeah, when I don't know things. NTP, no pussy test. Remember that. That is it.